This machine prints out new shirts. The textiles will recycle from my old shirt. And you can do it at this place in Hong Kong. So when people think of cultural and creative space in Hong Kong, they think of PMQ. But actually there's a new place open in Tsuen Wan. It is this one, The Mills. The mills were called南豐Cotton Mills since 1954, which had been manufacturing textiles for over 50 years. Recently it was revitalized and became a cool Instagram landmark, serving multi-purposes. First, I would like to introduce the exhibition areas. It was free access when I went there. There was a section which was about the history of the original textile mills. Textile industry was one of the three biggest industries in Hong Kong between 1950s and 1970s. This place showed how Hong Kong-made textiles influenced different parts of life of people in Hong Kong and overseas, from babies to adults, from home to school to work.
I did not realize this was made by cotton.
Another exhibition session is about different artists making different artworks with textiles, sticking to the theme of the mills. Similar to PMQ, this place encourages local brands, so they have shops selling stuff like custom-made watches, stationery, handmade soap and lipsticks, and of course, clothes. My friend's shop Alt is a local brand, which their clothes are made from recycled textiles. Besides, they have a garment-to-garment service, which you can bring your own old clothes and turn it into a brand new one. I'm gonna show you how. 整衫嘅 recycle
係
呢件 O 唔 OK 呢件？
呢件咁呢個位我哋會剪開嘅，因為咧呢個唔係纖維嚟嘅，咁所以咧我哋就回收唔到嘅呢部分。
仲有 special collection。
哇！貼身衣物我哋就唔收嘅。
This is not my size though. It is my size.
咁我哋開始。
Oh, okay. Usually it takes 2 shirts to make a new one. So the first step of this process is to sanitize the clothes by ozone chamber before they are shred into pieces. Goodbye whiskey shirt. Goodbye. Cutting the clothes with scissors is to make it small enough to fit in the fiber opening machine. My buddy's guy was trying to explain the following steps, which was a bit too complicated to me, so I was just acting like I understood.
咁呢個就係出嚟花包膠啦。
呢個係咩嚟㗎？呢個就係
我哋叫佢做棉網咯。
So basically what he means is the fibers are cleaned and aligned into new yarn in order to make a new shirt by the knitting machine. And it actually looks like a printer to me. This is my reborn t-shirt. Smells nice. Interesting, you know. The feeling of this is very interesting, you know. It looks familiar but new, you know. So awesome. There are actually some more steps after the shirt is knitted. In average, it takes around 1 or 2 weeks to make one, and it is worth it. There are cafes and restaurants in the mills, so when you come back to take your reborn shirt, you can visit those places as well. How do you like the recycled shirt ideas? Please comment below and let us know. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.